I've seen some other people use a tool type battery for testing the Trader 7-way. And of course, it'll work easily with lights. Lights don't have a big draw, especially now. So if you have the 18-volt batteries, get an adapter. So this one will go 18 to 12. So here I've got 3 different brands. This is my Makita 18 volt. I just have it hooked up to my test box that I use to test my test box, and it works fine. My concern is with triple axle trailers. It's going to be a pretty big draw testing that brake circuit. So here you can see we have Ryobi, and these come with an on-off switch, but there's also a 30 amp fuse on these. So I'm figuring they put a 30 amp fuse on it, it should be able to handle quite a bit of amps. Me personally, I'm probably never going to do this. I may do it for some other project, but this particular box that I built here is what I call a PDI box. So your trailer should already have a battery in it. So that's where it's going to get its power from, through the 7-way. So you can see here, we're testing it. We got about the same results as we did with the Makita battery. I was curious how many amps was actually coming out of the battery itself. So on the box we were seeing 9 amps at 12 volts, which is 108 watts. And here we have 18 volts at 6 amps at the battery, which is also 108 watts. So we're just going through and testing the lights too. But obviously, most new trailers are going to have LED lights. They're going to be pretty small loads. I think these batteries will hold up no problem. Like I said, I'm probably never going to use these. I wouldn't hook up the 18 volt battery directly to the trailer in case there's some sensitive electronics in the trailer. So this is a 12 volt Milwaukee battery, so there's no converter needed. And we're going through the same tests, and it seems to be working fine also. So in some of my other boxes, this is the brand battery I've been using. I think I used one other brand, and these have been working great. You could also just put some clamps on the end of that aux power jumper and just run it to a regular, like Group 24 battery. But like I said, that box is primarily as a PDI box. I would use a bigger box and put in an internal battery, like the one I showed. And those have been working really well. I've been using those for years, actually. So you have to be real careful with the 18 volt batteries, because I know a lot of the appliances are like 10 and a half to 15 volts. So I don't know if putting 18 volts directly to a trailer would damage any of those circuit boards or not. But anyways, thanks for watching.